melikia no mana kea, kua hili ku haru I ka malie. E ana hoi o Hawai'i, au hea vale o kou, mo kua ke ave. All the people of Maui, e naka naka mono kaki, a me ka hoko lape.
Aloha, my name is BJ Akui. This is my first video in a series that will be about Pidgin. This first episode, I just want to introduce you guys to what Pidgin really truly is. Pidgin is actually called Hawaiian Creole. That's the linguistic name for it. And it's actually a language that stands on its own. Most of us who grew up in Hawai'i grew up thinking that Pidgin was a broken English, when in fact it wasn't. And to be able to understand that, I think we have to understand what is a pidgin and what is a Creole. Pidgins usually are languages, somewhat, that usually come out of situations where you have trade going on between different ethnic groups with different languages. However, you cannot use this pidgin in every facet of society. It can only pertain to that trade area, trade arena. So it would just be things like how much is this, or trading numbers and things like that. Pidgins also are usually a second or a third language, never a first language. However, as generations pass, the children of these people who speak the pidgin end up having this pidgin as their first language, and along with that comes the grammar, stabilizing grammar and using the same grammars over and over, using the same vocabulary over and over. Thus, this pidgin becomes stabilized, becomes the first language of a population, which then turns that pidgin into a Creole. A Creole being a language, full-fledged language in its own right. Therefore, those people in Hawaii who speak pidgin or who speak Hawaiian Creole and can speak a more standard form of pidgin are actually bilingual. And then for those of us who are lucky, we may even become trilingual or multilingual, polyglots, depending on how many other languages you learn other than English and Pidgin. For me, myself, it would be English, Pidgin, and Hawaiian. So yeah, this was the introduction into Pidgin, and hopefully next week I can get our first Pidgin lesson up. I have to compile the words and things like that. Anyways, mahalo to you guys. Click like and subscribe to this channel if you want to hear more about Pidgin and Hawaiian language. Also, make sure to leave your comments in the comment section below. Tell me, what do you guys want to know as it pertains to Pidgin and Hawaiian? I don't know, so just tell me what you guys want and I'll try to make that video. Aloha.
E melikia no mana kea, kua hili ku haru I ka malie. E ana hoi o Hawai'i, au hea vale o kou, mo kua ke ave. All the people of Maui, e naka naka mono kaki, a me ka hoko lape.